If you need to convert 710 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres, here's how you do it. First off, you need to memorize that 1 atmosphere, that equals 760 millimeters of mercury, or you can look it up. So 1 atmosphere, 760 millimeters of mercury. That's the conversion factor. So what we'll do is we'll multiply the 710 millimeters of mercury times our conversion factor. We know that 1 atmosphere is 760 millimeters of mercury. So we want to have the millimeters of mercury on the bottom. That way these will cancel out, and we'll be left with our atmospheres on the top. 1 atmosphere here, 760 millimeters of mercury. That's our conversion factor. So when we multiply millimeters of mercury on the top and bottom, they're gone. We're left with atmospheres. So really it's just 710 divided by 760. We end up with 0.9342. Let's just call it 0.934. And the units here, atmospheres. So that's it. That's how you convert millimeters of mercury, 710 millimeters of mercury, to atmospheres. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.